Hello, my name is Olivia Romer. I'm a SAGE certified consultant at TAG, a premier SAGE partner for construction software with a team of experts in construction accounting and software solutions. In this 5-part video series, we will help you prepare for your year-end activities in SAGE 300 Construction and Real Estate. In the second video, we discussed how to print your 1099s using Atrix. If you missed it, go ahead and click the link in the description below. Prior to printing your W-2s using Atrix within the SAGE 300 Construction and Real Estate Payroll module, you'll want to make sure that all the appropriate information is displayed on the W-2 form. To do this, you must modify the form itself. You can modify the W-2 form by opening the Payroll module, selecting the Tools menu, then modify and select W-2 forms. The form default is set up in your database automatically. You can create a new form by typing a new form name in the W-2 form box and then add a description for the new template. The default template has all the standard tax information already set up. You will need to add any deductions to the form, such as health insurance and 401k. If you offer any employer-paid health care, you will need to add the amount onto the W form as well. To add this additional information to your W-2 form, you will need to select the Deducts and Fringe buttons, respectively. Pick the deduction or fringe ID that you would like to add to the W-2 form. Once you have modified the W-2 form to display all the information you require, you are now ready to create and print the W-2 forms. To generate the W-2s, you will need to open the Payroll module, navigate to the Tasks menu, and then select Federal E-Filing and Reporting. The following box will appear. Select the W-2/W-3 form from the list. Then select the appropriate year for printing the W-2 forms. Then the W-2 format selection box appears. Select the appropriate form and hit the Next button. This box shows all the employees in your payroll file. Hit the Next button and then the Generate button. Atrix will start compiling your W-2 form data. In this window, you have a few options. You can test drive the W-2 process with the first 25 employees, all employees, or start processing your W-2s. For the purpose of this video, we will select the third option and start processing our W-2s. If your company federal ID number is correct, select Next. Then confirm your company information. If everything is correct, select Next. Then you need to select whether you are filing on behalf of your company or if you are a third party printing on behalf of your customer. Make the appropriate selection and hit Next. Some states require that you send a copy of the W-2 form to the state. Make sure that all the appropriate state agency account numbers are filled out and hit Next. Then select the appropriate answer to each of the questions listed. Hit Next. Then select the appropriate information for the W-3 forms and hit Next. If you have multiple payroll data files, you now have the opportunity to combine them into one W-2 file. Make the appropriate selection and hit Next. An Excel-like grid will appear. Confirm all the information displayed is correct. If not, you can make any corrections within the grid. Then select the green Next button. Atrix will start to check the information for any errors. Hit the green Next 3 more times. You now have 2 options available, a paid and a free option. For $1.99 per recipient, Atrix will print and mail the W-2 forms for you, as well as e-file the forms to the federal government and, if required, any state agencies. If you would like to use the free option, select the Other Options button and make the appropriate choices. Then hit Next. Your forms will now generate on the screen. Start to print all your forms. You start with the state W-2 form, followed by the employee W-2 form, then the employer copy of the W-2 form, then the federal copy of the W-2 form, then the federal W-3 form, and finally the state W-3 type form. The next window to display is the W-2 instruction form. Place the employee copies of the W-2s in the printer so the employee instructions can print on the back side of each W-2 form. Hit Next. Lastly, the e-file window will pop up. Log in and finish the e-file process. In the next video, we will show you how to prepare and print your quarterly and annual payroll returns in Atrix. If you would like to learn more about the Sage construction and real estate software products, visit our website, www.teamtag.net, or email us at sales@teamtag.net. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.